So I've been teaching the split digraph rule quite a bit recently, and it's often one of the first things that I teach, because so many children with dyslexia, and I think other children too, put E on the end of words just for good measure, because they're not quite sure how to use the rule. They might have heard of it, but they've never really processed what it means. And especially for children with dyslexia, they need to understand why they're doing something. So it's not just a case of overlearning and drill and kill until they're bored, but it's explaining why as well. Yes, they have to practice, but you have to give them the meaning and explain why. So I always explain the language first of all. So a digraph, di means two, so that's two letters. And graph is from grapheme, a picture. So a letter is a picture of a sound. And these two letters make one sound. So that digraph makes A, E, I, O, and U. They're pairs. But what happens, why we call it a split digraph, we've got the sound A, and now we've got K, A. The letter is making its long sound, its strong sound, or its letter name, but they are making that together as a pair. And then the consonant K comes to split them up, to actually show them how the digraph gets split. Sorry about the light shining on there, but I mean, I know the E is called, people call it magic E and all kinds of things, but really I think the best thing is to fully explain the process, the name, be explicit about every aspect of it, and then comes the overlearning. So if there's a child that's consistently spelling words and adding an E when there shouldn't be one, that could be their target, and they focus on that target. They check their work when they've written until they are meeting that target, and then they move on to another one. But this is one I see most commonly. I mean, I think part of the reason as well why they add E is because a Y sound makes E. But you can only focus on one thing at a time, and so I think this is a really worthwhile one to look at. Thank you.